Hey everyone, what's up? How are you all doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Prashant and you are watching Travel Trooper. It's 9:30 a.m. and we've left Kaginahare. We are riding to Mangaluru, which is around 180 kilometers from here. Should probably take us about 4-5 hours. Today's gonna be an interesting day, so stay tuned. So we've reached Mangaluru. We had pretty good pace today as the roads were wide and the traffic was minute. We've stopped for fuel break. We've tanked up and we are now heading to Tanirbavi beach before heading to Mulki. I'll see you there. We've reached Tanirbavi beach. It's maintained very neat. No crowd thanks to COVID. It's very calm except for the blazing hot sun. We are now riding to Mulki, which is around 30 kilometers from here, for some serious adventures. We've been waiting for this day since the time we planned this ride. We are in high spirits for this one. So we'll see you directly from the location. Finally, we are here at the banks of the beautiful Shambhavi River at Kayak Boys Flatwater Kayaking Club for some serious water action. We are kayaking for the first time. The instructors here are really amazing. They brief you up for about 5 to 10 minutes about the things you really have to know, the do's and don'ts, the basics, etc. After the quick session, we are all set to get into the water and start our adventure. Let's do this. We have the whole river for ourselves. Since it's a weekday, it's just the two of us here. Kayak Boy is one of India's largest flatwater kayaking club. They say it's about 4-5 kilometers long and the complete activity takes about 3 hours. So we'll see how it goes. This is gonna be fun for sure. One might think kayaking is easy, but trust me guys, it's not. I'm totally out just after 10 minutes of paddling. had a lot of fun in the water, and now, at the golden hour, we are paddling to the sunset point to witness the beautiful sunset. It feels as if we are paddling into the sun. It's a feast for one's eye. I have no words to say. I'm amazed at the beauty this place has to offer. Watching the sunset and seeing the colors dance in the sky literally melts you away. My life had never seemed so clear. For just 500 rupees per head, we could have never asked for more. We took the introductory package. There are other packages like Explorer and Challenger that covers a distance of about 20-25 kilometers for 2 days with camping by the river banks. So we should really try them out again next time, and you should too. It's Sushant, aka the Kayak Boy, who runs this club. I'll add all the necessary links in the description below just in case you need them. As that said, keep traveling, keep exploring, live long and stay happy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I'll come.
Yeah, come.
Bro, there's a stabilization. I told you, the stabilization point. I cancel the video. Front or back?
Backflip. Ouch.
What?
Third time's the charm. No, this is before.
You go? Where is